Unlocking the secrets of early bird specials. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in the context of shopping or dining out: early bird specials. This term is packed with cultural nuances and is a great example of how language reflects habits and preferences. So, let's unfold the meaning behind this intriguing phrase and see how it's used in everyday English. Early bird specials refer to discounts or promotions offered to customers who choose to take advantage of a service or purchase a product outside of peak hours. The term is most commonly associated with restaurants that offer discounted meals to diners who eat dinner early, typically before the usual dinner rush hours. However, the concept can apply to various sectors, including retail, services, and entertainment. The idea behind early bird specials is to encourage more customers to visit during less busy times, helping businesses increase their sales during slow periods while offering customers a chance to save money. It's a win-win situation. The phrase, early bird specials, is deeply ingrained in American culture but has found its way into other cultures around the globe. It reflects a broader cultural appreciation for practicality and efficiency, rewarding those who plan ahead and manage their time wisely. Additionally, early bird specials have a social aspect, often appealing to senior citizens or those with flexible schedules who can dine out or shop during off-peak hours. It's not just about saving money. It's also about enjoying experiences without the crowd and rush. Understanding the term, early bird specials, is not only useful for dining and shopping but also enriches your English vocabulary, allowing you to engage more deeply with native speakers and cultural contexts. You might hear it in advertisements, see it on signs, or use it yourself when planning an outing with friends or family. It's also a great example of idiomatic language, where the meaning isn't immediately obvious from the words themselves but becomes clear through cultural context. Early bird implies someone who arrives early, drawing from the saying, "The early bird catches the worm," emphasizing the benefits of being early. We hope this exploration of early bird specials has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you insight into the cultural nuances that language can convey. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words and grammar, it's also about understanding the stories and lifestyles behind the phrases we use. Happy learning, and may you always catch the best early bird specials out there!